Does this look familiar? You grab your trusty Dyson V10 for a quick clean, but all you get is a sad little sputter. Or worse, total silence. If your Dyson V10 is completely dead, you're likely experiencing a faulty motor, a surprisingly common issue for this powerful model. The sophisticated motor is the heart of your V10's performance. Over time, internal components can wear out, causing the entire unit to fail, leaving you with zero suction and a growing pile of dust bunnies. Ignoring it means your house just gets dirtier, and attempting a complex motor swap yourself can lead to further damage. Now what? This is where the experts at RoboCare come in. We're not just generalists, we specialize in Dyson V10 repair. Our technicians are experts on the intricate design of the Dyson V10. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using specific diagnostic tools, we confirm the motor is the true source of the problem, ensuring we don't waste your time or money on unnecessary fixes. The process is precise. We carefully disassemble the vacuum, protecting every component. Then we replace the failed unit with a genuine component. It's not just a fix, it's a new lease on life for your machine. But don't just take our word for it. Seeing is believing. Let's take a look at the results. And just like that, the power is back. After RoboCare's expert touch, your Dyson V10 is back in action, cleaning flawlessly. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Look, when something expensive breaks, it's stressful. You feel helpless. But my experience with RoboCare was the complete opposite. They were professional and they were fast. They didn't just fix my vacuum. They restored my faith that some things are actually worth repairing. So if your Dyson, or any robot vacuum for that matter, is giving you trouble, I genuinely cannot recommend RoboCare enough. Don't throw it out. Give them a call.
Has your vacuum lost its power? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our easy courier service to get started today.